Okay, in the previous video, we discussed about the first four types of operators in the C programming language. So one is what? One is arithmetic operators. Second one is the relational operators. Third one is the logical operators. Fourth one is the assignment operators. Now in this part 2, we'll discuss about the remaining four types of operators. One is increment and decrement, bitwise, and then ternary, and then special. They're very simple. Okay. Now coming to the fifth one, that is the increment and decrement operators. Okay. So I will take a directly example. So you make a comment here. Okay. So I remove the comment here. Okay, then you add a comment here. Okay, so that the program, even that is present, it will not execute. Okay, I am removing comment below. Okay, now you make active here, this program only make active. Now see here. Okay, now see here, this is what increment and decrement operation. So what is the meaning of increment decrement operation? So very simple. Okay, for example, I am writing here, if I take a equal to 10 in our example. Okay, now if I take a equal to a plus 1, what will be the value? Value will be the 11. Okay, now a contains a equal to 11. So what is the meaning of increment? Increment by 1. You take increment by 2, increment by 3, that is your choice. Generally increment means increment by 1. So in short, what we have to take, same you take in the like a plus plus. Okay, a plus plus is same as the a equal to a plus 1, both are same. If you take a equal to 10 is same as the a equal to a plus 1, you take a plus plus, both are same. Okay, now both are same, that is what increment. So coming to the increment, if you take a minus minus, okay, if you take a minus minus, what is a minus minus? Simply you write here a equal to a minus 1. It means what will be the value? Which is equal to 9 is the answer. That is called decrement operation. Okay, now so this is decrement operation. So both. Okay, in shorthand, what you are writing, I am writing a minus minus, which is equal to decrement operation. Okay, that is called about increment decrement. Coming to here, types of increment operators is, one is post increment, second one is the pre increment. Okay, so what is the, so first of all, what I am printing the value k equal to 10. Simply what will be the output is the 10 here. Okay, now here, now you see here, when you write the increment operation before, okay, before a variable, that is called pre-increment. Okay, this is called pre-increment. It means what? Before you printing, okay, understand, before you printing this value, you have to increment first. That is called pre-increment. Okay, now what will be the value? Okay, I am incrementing the a, it becomes 11, then you print, that is called pre-increment. Now what will be the value here? A becomes 11. Okay, see here, a becomes 11, it going to print 11. Now what is a post increment? What is a post increment? Very simple. First you postpone the increment, first you print the value. Now tell me what will be the value? A becomes 11 only, not 12. That you have to make a note. Okay, that you have to make a note. First I am printing the value a, after that I am incrementing the value a, then what will be the value a? It becomes 12. Okay, see what is the post increment? First you print the value a. What is the value a? It is 11 actually previous. Now what will be the output? I am printing 11, after that I am making it becomes a 12. Okay, that is what. Okay, now what can you tell, what will be the output here? Output equal to, it is a 12. That is what, after post increment value equal to 12. Same as decrement, also same. Whatever the concept for the increment decrement, sorry, increment, the information is same for the decrement also, pre decrement to post decrement. Okay, okay, run the code. What you do some modifications. So you add clr scr for this. Okay, so and then you make it as a void main. Okay, so make it as a void main. So and then I'm commenting here. So and then get ch. Okay, tell me purpose of a get ch. No need of using the key, alt F5 key. Okay, now run the code. What will be the output? Alt F5, save, alt F, compile the program. Oh, 6 errors are there. Okay, okay, I have to make a comment here. Okay, make a comment here, make a comment here. Okay, then alt F, save, alt F, compile the program. One error is there. Why it is an error? Okay, here I have to make a comment again. So alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. So this is what will be the value? Initially equal to value 12. Pre-increment means first you increment, then you print 11. Now what is the post increment? First you print the value. What will be the value? 11. After that you increment the value. Then a becomes 12. Okay, so same as pre-decrement, post decrement. Okay, that is all about the increment and decrement operators in C programming language. Now sixth one, what? Bitwise operators. Okay, so I am telling one more time. For this concept I will share the link below the video. In that I have taken, I have done manually using pen and paper. Okay, so in that that video helps you very a lot. Now for this concept I am taking the execution directly itself. Okay, okay, now come to the sixth type, that is the bitwise operators. Okay, now what you do, simply you make a comment for this. Okay, what is the comment? Is nothing but you are deactivating the code. Okay, here you write, so there you write star and then forward slash here, like this. Okay, now coming to this is my program, you add a comment here. Okay, so what is a bitwise? And that is what I told. Okay, so for this entire, this is only difficult and explanation in the operators concept. Why? Because when you do manually only you are able to understand, otherwise not. Okay, directly I'm taking examples. Okay, so what is bitwise? And it is a and b. Okay, this is bitwise r, this is where xar means it is exclusively r. Okay, this is negation a, this is the left shift, this is the right shift. Okay, so in the exam they will ask, you have to mention all these types along with the example you do manually. Okay, so these are the bitwise operators. One is what? Bitwise. And bitwise are bitwise xar it is exclusively r, not to left shift to right shift. Okay, so generally what will be the answers are, it is integers I'm getting answers. Okay, okay, I'm running the code. I'm telling one more time. So for this type of operators I'm sharing the link below the video. Okay, I have done manually, listen that video, it is very easy to understand. Okay, okay, now I'm updating the code to run the output. So void main, so and then add clr ser semicolon and then add get ch. Okay, semicolon, alt F, save the program. So a equal to 5, b equal to 3. So a is integer variable, b is the integer variable. Okay, alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. Okay, so this is output. So a bitwise b. Okay, a bitwise and b, what is the output? 1 is the output. Okay, a bitwise r, what is the output? It is 7. Okay, a xr b 6, negation a equal to -6. A left shift by 1, it is 10. A right shift by 1, value equal to 2. Okay, that is all about the bitwise operators. Okay, now coming to next one. So next one, what? Conditional operator, nothing but a ternary operator. Okay, now come to that. What you do, you make a comment here. Okay, now coming to the ternary operation. See, why it is a ternary means very simple. See, expression 1. Okay, so this is 1, this is one more. So I am having it. See, this is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Okay, see, this is called ternary operations. If I have the three expressions, that is called ternary operation. For example, if I take a plus plus. Now tell me what is the operation. This is the unary operation. Okay, so I am having only one operand. Okay, so if I take a plus b, what is a plus b? This is the binary operation. Why? Because I am taking the two operands. What is the operand here? A and b are the operands. Okay, so plus is the arithmetic operation. Now here, what is this? This is expression 1, this is expression 2, this is expression 3. Okay, so this is what ternary operation. Okay, now what is ternary operation? Very simple. If condition is true, okay, if condition is true, then we have to execute these. Okay, if condition is false, you have to execute this. That only have to make a note. Okay, condition is true, what I have to print, what I have to execute, you print a. Okay, I mean you focus on a. If condition is false, where I have to go to the b. That is called ternary operation. One thing you have to make a note, if you are using ternary operation, you have to use question mark, colon, not semicolon. That you have to make observation. So many students make here some mistake. They may use semicolon, not semicolon, it is colon. Okay, now run the code. We'll see the output. Okay, tell me what will be the, can you guess what will be the output? A equal to 15. 15 is greater than 10. Condition true or false? Yes, condition true. Then what I have to print? So print a. Okay, that is about the program. Okay, now here I'm making a comment. So now run this code. What you have to do some updation. So you add cl or scr. Okay, semicolon and then void main. Make it as a comment. You add get ch here. Get ch, alt f, save the program, alt f, compile the program. What will be the output? Output is the 15 is the output. Okay, alt f, run the program. Okay, maximum equal to 15 is the answer. That is what. Okay, okay, for example, okay, come to the program. So now I will make condition false. Okay, intentionally. So I will make a condition false. So a, now a less than b. Okay, now tell me what will be the output. Okay, because condition is false. Okay, because condition is false, what I have to execute? Don't go here, go to the b. That is what. Okay, now max equal to, it is b. Run the code. So alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, alt F, run the program. So it is equal to 10. Previously what is the output? It is 15 is the output. Now what is output? It is 10 is the output. That is all about the conditional operator. Finally, what is the type of operator? It is special operator. Okay, special. Okay, now come to the last program. Last one, that is what? Simply you make a comment here. One second. Right. Okay, okay, time waste. Okay, so now take next program. So this is the last program. So now coming to the, actually this is a separate concept that is called the pointers concept. Okay, so I will take in the unit 4. Okay, so what is the purpose of a pointer? Okay, so pointer is a variable which is used to store the address of another variable. Simple definition: pointer is a variable used to store the address of another variable. That is what. Okay, so now what is the purpose of a pointer? Using this variable I am able to store address of the another variable, that is 10. Okay, I mean a. That is what it is, a special operator. Now see here, uh, now I'm now see here, so a equal to 10. What is ampersand a? Ampersand a is the special operator. What is ampersand a? Address of a in the laptop. What is star ptr? Also address of so and so variable. Okay, see, this is address of a. So in this variable I am storing the address of a. See, both are same. This and this both are same. Next one, so size of, okay, already you know about size of operator. See here. Okay, now see here, what is size of operator? Using size of operator I am going to find the size of so and so data type. Already you know that. Hmm? This is important. What is a comma operator? Okay, what is a comma operator is, so first I am going to evaluate this expression a equal to 10. Then what I will store? Okay, I will store a plus equal to 5. Okay, so this I am going to store. Okay, so this I am going to store. Now what will be the answer? So a plus 5 is the answer. That is called comma operator. Okay, that is what comma operator. Okay, it means what? I will take a equal to 10. What will be the answer? A plus 5 equal to 10. I mean a plus 5 equal to 15 is the answer. Now answer x equal to what? X equal to 15. That is called comma operator. So this is not I'm storing here. What I'm storing, which is last. For example, if I have one more, assume b equal to, assume that, okay, now b equal to 5. Okay, comma, if you take here a plus b, then what will be the answer? Okay, then what will be the answer? You take here, okay, comma, b also you take here. Okay, then what will be the answer? A equal to 10, b equal to 5, a plus b is the answer. Okay, so x equal to, what is a plus b? It is 15 is the answer. Okay, that is all about the comma operator. One is what? Ampersand is a special operator. Star means, star is a, it is nothing but a pointer variable used to store the address of another variable. It may be any variable. This is the one special operator. Second one, third one is the size of, to find the size of a data type is a one more special operator. Last one, what? Comma operator. What is a comma operator? So I am going to take this expression, okay, this is the, which is the last is, okay, whatever the last, so that I'm going to store in the variable x. That is called a comma operator. Now run the program. You take CLRS here, and then you make it as a void main. Okay, and then write get ch. Okay, now run the code. Alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. One error is there. Okay, it is not allowed here. Okay, it is telling don't declare x there, declare above. It is saying, it is asking you. Then you remove this. Alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, run the program. Now see here, what is the value of a? It is 10. Address of a, f4. Actually, what is the meaning of f is, it is 15. Okay, capital A equal to 10, capital B equal to 11, capital C equal to 12, capital D equal to 13, capital E equal to 14, capital F equal to 15. Okay, that you have to make a note. So what is the pointer using? It is 10. Okay, next one, what is a plus 5, which is equal to 10? 15 is the answer. Okay, okay, there is not getting an output here. What you do, simply you give percentage %d to get output. Here you write percentage d. Okay, percentage d. I'll see what will be the output. Okay, so alt F, save, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. Okay, size equal to, it is 2 bytes. Okay, size equal to 2 bytes. Now see, you may get value using pointer. It is 10, you may get. Okay, what you do, if you want to print address, I'll take one thing. If you want to print the address, simply here you write ptr. Hmm? In clear, I'll take the unit 4. What is a pointers? Now what will be the output? Address of the variable. Now what will be the address of the variable a? FFF4. So alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. See, it is taking different address. Okay, no problem. Okay, it is changing the address. No problem. So now using what? The address of a is, actually it is -12. Okay, generally while I am printing, it is showing as the integer. Okay, no problem. So the address of a pointer is, it is -12. Okay, so my observation is FFF4 is same as the -12. That is my observation. Okay, okay. So simply, what is our concept? My concept is special operators. One is what? One is the ampersand, star, and then size of. Third, fourth one is the comma operators. Okay, in detail about the pointers concept we will see in the unit 4. Okay, so that is all about the types of operators in C programming language. Okay, we have to explain all 8 types of operators. One is what? One is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical, assignment, increment, decrement, bitwise, and then conditional, and then finally special operators. Okay, okay. For example, if the video is understand for you, give some comment. Okay, thank you.